Last week's Rewind.
And now, for our last ingredient. What is this called, everyone? Vinegar! So we're going to put a little bit of vinegar. Let's see what happens.
Watch. Whoa! Look at it!
I can make 5 in one day, and 6, and maybe 7.
So is Donovan going to demonstrate one
Maybe
for
10.
us?
And this is why there's tape at the end, because it makes it far flat. Make it fly far free. So look, that's wow!
Crazy new idea was a quiet revolution.
This crazy new idea was a quiet revolution.
After finishing the book of Charlotte's Web by E.B. White, we have made a barn of Wilbur's character, how it grew throughout the book.
In this barn, it shows that Wilbur changed from being lonely to radiant and finally to devoted.